Want to import structured or complex data into WordPress custom fields? With WP Ultimate CSV Importer, you can now import serialized data into custom fields, even if they don't exist yet. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. Upload CSV file. This is the post CSV file I prepared. You'll notice it only contains the necessary post columns, title, content, status, and so on. Let's begin by uploading the file. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Ultimate CSV Importer Pro, then select Import/Update. Upload the post CSV file we prepared. Step 2. Choose post type and import type. Now, choose the post type you want to import into. In this example, we're importing into regular blog posts, so select Post, then choose Fresh Import, and click Continue. Step 3. Map fields and configure serialized data. Next, it's time to map the fields. You'll see that all standard post fields are mapped automatically. This happens when your file's headers match WordPress field names. Now scroll down to the Create WP Custom Fields section. This is extremely useful when you want to create custom fields on the fly, during import. Click Add Custom Field button to create a new custom field. In the text box, type the custom field name, in our case, it's custom_display_options. Next to it, open the drop-down, select Header Manipulation, and choose Serialized from the actions. Step 4. Add key value pairs. A pop-up will appear, where you can define your serialized data as key value pairs. Let's add the following entries. Label, featured. Click Add Another to insert each new pair. Highlight, #FF9900. Show underscore and underscore slider, true. CTA underscore text, read more. Once you're done, click Save. This structured data will now be serialized and stored inside the custom_display_options meta field. Step 5. Start import. Everything's ready. You can optionally configure settings like media handling or import settings, but we'll go with the defaults here. Click Import to begin. The plugin will serialize your custom field data and import it into each post. Step 6. Verify the result. Once the import is complete, open one of the imported posts. In the Custom Fields section, you'll find custom_display_options created, with all your key value pairs stored as a serialized array. A few quick tips to keep in mind. You can add multiple serialized custom fields using the same method. There's no need to manually register fields. WP Ultimate CSV Importer creates them automatically. Be sure your key value inputs don't contain special characters like unescaped quotes or line breaks, those can break the serialization. And that's it. You've now imported serialized custom field data into WordPress with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching.